Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how you can make a solo server in Roblox, which is perfect if you just want to play a game by yourself. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. But first, you're going to want to go ahead and pick the game that you would like to go ahead and play solo. In this example, I'm going to be using a game called Grow a Garden, but this is going to work for any game that has private servers enabled. You're going to want to open up the game though, and once you're on the game page, simply scroll down a little bit until you see a server section and go ahead and click on it. From here, you're going to see an option that says create private server. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to pop up with a page that opts you into creating your name and hitting buy now. Now, some games are going to charge Robux for this, but in this case with Grow a Garden, it is completely free. As you can see, I have a server already created, and that's why I can't create another one. Now, once you hit buy now, it's going to create that server, and now you're able to customize it, so hit customize. When you hit customize, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and you want to go ahead and make sure friends allowed is actually turned off, and so other people can't join, and make sure you don't add any specific members by clicking this add people option, and this will pretty much make it so that you're the only one who's able to join this server. Now you can actually go ahead and head back to the private servers thing by clicking on the private servers tab up here, and then just simply hit join and then open up Roblox. Now the steps are the exact same on mobile, so just keep that in mind. This can be done on both PC and mobile. But yeah, as you can see, we're loading in right now, and it's going to be just us in this game. If this video did help you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really does help out the channel. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.